Alright, gang. Today we're going to expand on our complex numbers, operations on complex numbers, and they're going to get a little bit more challenging. So, this is the only example I'm going to give you in this video. I'm trying to keep the video links down. So, first off, we had three complex numbers. Alright, so we got one here, one here, one here. Now guys, to simplify all this mess, we need to pick two. Okay? So I just start from left to right. I'm going to pick two. Be careful, make sure they're all being multiplied by each other. Okay? So there's them two little invisible multiplication symbols there. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to FOIL these first two complex numbers. Alright, so let me go ahead and begin that. So negative 3 times 5, negative 15. Negative 3 times positive 1i is negative 3i. Alright, let's do this bottom right here. Negative 2i times 5 is negative 10i. And negative 2i times positive 1i is negative 2i squared. Now, before I do anything else, I'm going to wait on that guy right there in the box. I want you to simplify as I go. Alright, so I'm going to have to combine like terms. Negative 3i minus 10i is negative 13i. Okay. Bring everything else down. Bring the negative 15 down. Now what I can do is plug in for I squared negative 1. So you got negative 2, parentheses, negative 1. So I squared equals negative 1. Remember we talked about that last week. And just keep on going with it. Okay, negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Bring everything else down. And then combine like terms again. Negative 15 plus 2. That is negative 13 minus 13i. Now, once we get that done, now we can bring this guy down and we just repeat it. Okay? We just got to repeat the same thing over and over. So now we're going to have to multiply negative 13 minus 13i with 4 minus 3i. Excuse me. So now I went to a new page. We can FOIL again. Negative 13 times 4 is negative 52. And negative 13 times negative 3i, that would be positive 39i. Be careful with signs as you're working these out. Okay, now we can do this part right here. Negative 13i times 4 is negative 52i. And then negative 13i times negative 3i is positive 39i squared. Sorry, my phone's ringing. Now, let's continue on with this. Sorry, gang. I always jinx myself when I'm trying to make a short video. So let's keep on going here. Combine these middle terms, which would be negative 13i. Okay, bring negative 52 down. And what I'm going to plug in for I squared is negative 1. I squared is always negative 1. If I distribute that, that's going to be negative 39. So now I have this. And then we can combine these like terms here, which hopefully combine those, that'd be negative 91. So we'll write negative 91 minus 13i. Okay? Alrighty, gang. Well, that's going to sum everything up there. Have a good one.